Welcome. In front of me is a HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device to the recovery mode. So this process should also remove things like screen lock. Although I don't have one set, it doesn't really matter, it will still work. So anyway, to get started, hold the power key and then select power off. Don't mind this entire mess that just happened. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now after a moment, once you see the HONOR logo, you can let go of the power key. And there we go. And as you can see, it will then boot us into the recovery mode. So from here, using again volume keys, you want to select clear data, confirm it then with power key, and select factory reset. And we need to confirm one thing, which is just type in a yes to confirm that you want to reset it. You can just press on factory reset and it will begin formatting it, though here I believe gets like 20% and then it gives us a message that it's done. Oh, there we go. So from here we're going to go back. I'm going to select restart, and this will now continue the process in the background. So it will take it about a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.